Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add members to your Costco membership and get them set up with their own card. So over here, first of all, you need to look for the Costco membership account and check the membership options available to you. For the standard gold star membership, you can add one free household card holder, and the person that you add must be 16 or older and live at the same address as you. So you need to enter the household members information and submit the request. Just make sure that their name matches their government issue ID and that the address matches the address on your membership. So once you have added them, you can have the new member visit the membership center at a Costco warehouse with a valid photo ID. Costco will then verify their information, take their photo, and create their membership card. If you are adding people to a business membership, you can purchase additional card holders for the applicable annual fee. For additional card holder, can also designate an eligible household card holder. Just keep in mind that the primary member controls the membership, so only the primary member can make changes to the additional card holders. If this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.